my name is Jyoti. For my work experience, I'm already working in e-commerce industry from last 7 years. So the basic idea to join this course is to upgrade my knowledge from the e-commerce to digital marketing. Like I have basic idea about everything related to digital marketing, but I want to go into the depth regarding every topic of the digital marketing. So that's why I have joined digital marketing, and I think in last 1 year I have learned a lot. I have improved a lot from I can say from 20% knowledge to I have upgraded it to now 70 to 80%. So yeah, it's a good experience for me. So I have already started because already I'm working in the e-commerce profile and it is kind of related to this. So already I have started and implementing all the things in my day-to-day work. Earlier I have a little bit idea. Now I have a deep understanding like how we can and the main thing is like I have learned the practical experience I have by doing the projects and everything. So that's great. So in coming if I will be switching the job, so I think it will be a great advantage. I can show the DV certificate and the projects we have done. I can include that as well in that interviews and everything. So it will be going to help me definitely in a good manner. Overall, it's a good experience, and I enjoyed with the all the trainers were very good, and all like every trainer has a different way of teaching, and I have learned a lot like how different people teach in different way. So that is also a very good experience. Like some teach practically more and some teach theoretically more. So both the things, the combination of both the things is very good.